What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, big shout out to Nomad, guys. They definitely sent out your boy some dope tech. We got a standard MagSafe charger for like your desktop or for like your nightstand. Very dope one here. As you can see, all aesthetics. It's orange, looks like the cosmic orange, has a clear transparency to it where you can see the wiring coil for the magnet and things of that nature. Really dope. Limited edition stand one magnetic charger, and today we got one in the stellar orange colorway, so very dope. As you can see, it says limited edition all over the box. We take a look at the back product details. 25 watts Qi 2 wireless charging. You get a 2 meter braided USB-C cable, and of course we need a 40-watt power adapter to power this thing because it is giving off that Qi 2. As you can see, Qi charging spot for AirPods, and it also supports that dope iPhone standby mode. Looks really cool. Weighted metal and glass design, so it's nice and heavy. Nothing when you go to pick your iPhone up is gonna come up off your nightstand or your desk. Limited edition stellar orange color, transparent charging puck. This is the charging puck right here, transparent, so you see the inner workings of the actual components. So we're just gonna unbox this like so. So as you can see, we greeted with the magnetic charger. Now let me get you a side angle. I think this is a very dope presentation, and I love this colorway. Even how the mat matches the back of the iPhone where you put your AirPods to wirelessly charge them. This really, even though they call it stellar orange, it matches the iPhone really well, maybe a little bit darker. And I just like how when you open the box, it's presented to you. Definitely dope limited edition type stuff. So let me just get the charger out here, guys. And this thing is nice and got some heft to it. It's created like that to be a nice desk piece, nice nightstand piece that won't come up when you pull your phone off the magnetic charger. Really clean piece of tech right here. Fire accessory from Nomad. Now take a look. This is the Type-C port. Nice rubber mat on the bottom so it don't slide around. And you can use this QR code to get to their website. And here go the inner workings of the charging puck. As you can see, you got a wiring coil right here, guys. And this is, how the magnet is made. And the combination of this glass and metal weighted design just scream premium. And we can compare the actual color of the cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro with the stellar orange. Definitely on point. Definitely something going to be dope on your desk or your nightstand. Also, you get this nice, clean, white braided cable, Type-C to Type-C, to actually power this thing. Well, not to power this thing, because you got to bring your own at least 40-watt power adapter to the party. And Nomad also said something else also. We're going to check that out also. And you notice this thing does not have a space for your Apple Watch, but we got something for that too. So again, shout out to Nomad, guys. They sent out their 65-watt USB-C slim GAN power adapter. Definitely something I could utilize to power this actual magnetic charger or this MagSafe charger, but there's something you could definitely travel with because it's slim. It's definitely compact, but at 65 watts is definitely offering the power to charge an iPad and an iPhone at the same time. Take a look at the back, guys. We got 65 watts for a single device, and then multi-charging 45 watts from the blue port and 20 watts from the black port, and also USB power delivery. So this is a powerful minimal type charging adapter. I'm gonna take it out the packaging for y'all, get it out like so, and we just gonna slide it out. And as you can see, it's very minimal, guys. It's even smaller than I expected looking at it in the box. Very nice, very slim, and the actual prongs that you plug into the wall fold in. So that's definitely a nice touch, guys. You can, you can slide this in a little, if you got a small tech bag, it could go in there easily. Just something very compact but powerful for your charging needs from Nomad. Think this is very dope. Definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this thing. And for the Apple Watch solution, guys, at this point we just gotta realize Nomad has a lot of tricks up their sleeves. As you can see, we can use this cable right here. This is the universal cable for your Apple Watch. So this is a Type C to Type C charger. You could charge up your phone, your MacBook, your iPad, but at the same time, it's got a little spot right here to charge your Apple Watch, which is really dope. Now on the back of the box, as you can see, is a USB-C and Apple Watch fast charging cable. 100 watts of actual power comes through this thing. Very quality, as you can see, Kevlar construction and metal alloy tip. But this is how you will rock it. Use one end. You could use the end with the Apple Watch charger right up on your MacBook, or you could just have your Apple Watch on the adapter end. So we just slide it out like so. And here we go, guys. This is a beast. Nice braided, hefty nylon cable. A nice tie for you to actually wrap it up when you're done with it, you know, because this is like traveling type tech. Also something nice and compact that handles 2-in-1, charging your tablet or your phone, but at the same time charging your Apple Watch. Just a very quality cable here, guys, and I really like how they did the Apple Watch charging area in metal. Just all premium type technology right here. Okay, so I got the MagSafe stand plugged up into the Apple Watch charging cable. So first, now this is an overly dead Apple Watch. I'm gonna throw the Apple Watch on. Magnetic, pull straight to it. As you can see, we got the Apple Watch charging. Now I'm gonna throw my iPhone straight on the charger. As you can see, we charging. So definitely a dope piece of tech right here. Last but not least, let's throw the AirPod Pros on here. And as you can see, charging immediately. Now I'm somebody that's definitely into the different colorways. Apple came out with the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro. I jumped on that. Now this charging stand that matches it with the Stellar Orange is definitely a dope accessory for this device. It's just a dope accessory, period. I'll be charging all my phones on here. My Android phones have MagSafe cases. So definitely like a little piece of aesthetic, very dope colorway, limited edition. Shout out to Nomad for sending it out. Just wanted to show y'all guys that it's your boy BG Tech Life. Make sure you subscribe to them out. Peace.